Raid Slimes, I got part 2. This slime is really pretty. I love the nice baby pink. It looks a bit purple here, but it is baby pink, guys. The little container has a really pretty shape, and I love the little fox sticker. So glossy and thick. The little clay piece is very pretty, but it was really sticky. As in my other video, this is the strawberry syrup. It deflated a lot after play. It didn't fit anymore in the container. It was a tiny bit stiff, but I expected it to because the slime place is in Scotland. Great bubble pops, I loved it. So much pretty pokes, I love them. The color was amazing. Definitely 1 million.